What's up, you guys? Lathe Werks here once again with another video just for you. Today we're doing a couple of modifications, but in this video let's go ahead and change out the shift knob. Alright guys, so that's what it currently looks like. Standard focus knob. And for the shifter, we went with the Lathe Werks titanium knob. In my opinion, that's the best looking knob out there. Alright you guys, so we got it installed and it feels great. And of course the lockout ring still works. I'm happy with it. Once again, the knob is by Lathe Werks. Check them out on Instagram. Alright you guys, so we got the Lathe Werks shift knob installed. That was the easy install for the day. Make sure you check out the next video, which will be on the Mountain baffle plate or breather plate, whatever you want to call it. So that concludes today's video. So if you've enjoyed the video, of course, leave that thumbs up. Drop your comments in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of that knob. And of course, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm checking out.